Hello everyone. So you must be wondering, it's a dark. Is there something issue in my video that I'm not able to see anything? It's dark. No, no, don't worry. It's intentionally in this way. So today the topic from the book Magic that I'm to speak about is on negativity. How to remove negativity from life. How we can practice gratitude and move towards positivity. Uh, negativity leads to darkness. How a practice of gratitude can slowly help you light out or bring out a bright light in your life. So, what Rhonda Byrne mentions in the book is about, uh, practicing. Suppose, let us take an example of someone losing a job, and then what he or she needs to do is he or she needs to practice or write 10 things that he or she is grateful about. And you would be reacting like right now, like, what, how can I write 10 good things when I have lost my job? So you will have to think about all the things. You may have to focus a little bit and try to list down things which could be like, I lost this job, but uh, I got my much needed rest. I lost my job and I could have more family time. My family is giving me more encouragement during this time. I have good health and I am able to work. I'm getting multiple job offers. I have skills with me. So this once you start in that zone, I'm sure that you would be able to focus and get those 10 things. So just as now you are able to see me a little bit even in this darkness, I'm sure that once you start the gratitude process, you would start to see things changing miraculously. And yeah, one more thing that I just wanted to share was about, again, just as I gave an example of someone losing a job, there could be a troubled relationship in your life, and you want to improve that relationship. Uh, let's say, for example, a troubled relationship with father, then you can list down the 10 things that you are grateful for in in the relationship domain, and then you can see things changing. So you can list down 10 things like, I have extremely good relationship with others. I have I am extremely grateful to my father for uh, providing me education. I'm extremely grateful for my father for giving me the tough love which I needed for my growth. I am extremely grateful for my father for uh, for the relationship that I have. So for showing compassion towards me so that I can be more compassionate towards my children. So in this way, once you start writing three, four uh, points, you will automatically be in that zone and write more of this. And uh, after that, I would like to sign off by saying this fantastic thought by Gautam Buddha about gratitude. Okay, so he mentions that let us be thankful for so many things that we have learned today. If we have not learnt so much, at least we have learnt a little. If we have not learnt a little, at least we didn't get sick. if we didn't get if we got sick, at least we didn't die. So let us all be thankful for whatever we have in our lives. Thank you so much. God bless.